Oh, so cute. Yeah. Yeah. How you feel about being on videotape, right? Like, oh, yeah. You're being double videotaped. It's creepy, isn't it? Yeah. See, what if some 40-year-old dude was doing this? Yeah, he could be like masturbating to the videos of you feeding your baby. How creepy is that? Oh shit, this one's wobbly. Oh, she's so cute when she's drinking. Good thing you don't breastfeed. You couldn't show this part. What? A week? Oh. Did it hurt your boobs? Huh, I would imagine so. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, big yawn from the mom. Then she smiles and awkwardly laughs because she's embarrassed. What? I didn't hear that. Wow.